Hey everyone, I am Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If your car is full of crumbs, pet hair and dust, if your keyboard is a mess, or if you want a powerful handheld vacuum that also blows air for quick cleanups, then this is the tool you have been waiting for. Today we are reviewing the HOTO Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. This cordless 4-in-1 device is a vacuum, air duster, inflator, and sealer all in one compact package. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this little gadget makes cleaning so much easier. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let us break down the features of the HOTO Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. It is super lightweight and easy to hold with one hand. It has 15,000 pascals of strong suction power that picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair and small debris fast. The high-speed air blower function blasts away dust from keyboards, car vents and tight spaces. It can also inflate swim rings, air mattresses and balls. Plus, it has a vacuum sealing mode for food storage. You get multiple attachments including a crevice tool, brush nozzle and blower nozzle. The battery lasts long enough for several cleaning sessions and it charges quickly with USB-C. It has a reusable HEPA filter that is easy to clean. The whole thing is compact and comes with a nice storage bag. Setup is simple. Charge it, pick the right attachment and start cleaning. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are excellent. The 4-in-1 design saves space and money. Strong suction and powerful blower work great for cars, desks and electronics. It is cordless and portable so you can take it anywhere. The battery life is good for its size. Attachments make it versatile for different jobs. The HEPA filter traps fine dust. It is lightweight and comfortable to use. Users love how it handles pet hair, keyboard dust and car messes quickly. On the con side, the dustbin is small so you empty it often for big jobs. Suction is strong for a handheld but not as powerful as a full-size vacuum. The blower is great but not industrial strength. Battery lasts well, but heavy use means recharging sooner. These are normal for compact tools and the pros win big for everyday use. My recommendation? Yes, get the HOTO Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner if you want a versatile, portable tool for quick cleanups in your car, home or office. It is perfect for pet owners, parents, desk workers, or anyone who wants fast, easy cleaning without dragging out big equipment. If these honest gadget reviews are helping you find useful tools, hit subscribe for more and click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs easier cleaning, or subscribe for more. See you next time.